Adjust the arm bracket during installation so the flush moves smoothly and consistently. Start by loosening the bracket just enough to allow lateral movement while keeping the assembly supported. Then position the arm so it barely contacts the canister at rest. Check that the arm travel is neither binding nor leaving excessive free play by manually operating the flush lever several times and observing the canister response. If the arm lifts the canister too high, the seal can be compromised and water will continue to run, so move the bracket slightly toward the lever until lift is correct and test again. If the arm fails to lift the canister fully, the flush will be weak. So slide the bracket away from the lever in small increments and recheck stroke length. Use short, deliberate adjustments and always retest by performing 3 or 4 full cycles, because small changes can have outsized effects on timing and seal seating. Once the arm just touches the canister at rest and produces a full, clean flush without residual running, tighten the bracket securely while holding the arm in the verified position to prevent shifting. Common mistakes include over-tightening the bracket before confirming motion, which locks in an incorrect position and creates leaks or poor flush, so always leave the bracket loose until you confirm proper action, then tighten carefully. Another issue is setting the arm so it depresses the canister too far, which prevents the seal from seating properly. So reduce travel by sliding the bracket toward the lever and retest until the canister closes fully. People also forget to check for play at the connection points, which leads to inconsistent behavior. So inspect all pins and clips for wear and replace any loose parts. Then secure fasteners firmly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by listing professionals and enabling straightforward contact. And we also help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects that match their skills. We host a discussion community where our users share installation tips, real-world experiences, and recommendations so everyone learns from practical examples.